Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Good morning. Welcome back study with me, your English teacher, Mrs. Asmaul Husna. I'm sure that you cannot waiting any longer time to start any topic with me. So in this session, we are going to learn about something that very common or very close to our habit when spending our free time. Okay, let's see the video to find out what we are going to learn about.
Holiday is coming. Holiday is coming. It's coming. No more clanging bells, no more homework. Goodbye teachers, goodbye friends. We're going on a jolly holiday. A jolly holiday, a jolly holiday. Holiday is coming. Holiday is coming. It's coming. No more clanging bells, no more classworks. Goodbye, Uncle, goodbye, Auntie. Goodbye, Headmaster, goodbye, Headmistress. We're going on a jolly holiday. A jolly holiday, a jolly holiday. Holiday is coming. Holiday is coming. It's coming. Holiday is coming. Holiday is coming.
From the video, we are going to learn about the expression of intention to plan our holiday, because many people spend their leisure time for holiday. Students will be able to understand to holiday vocabulary related to holiday plan. Second, the student will be able to conclude the different use of will, be going to, and would like to. And the third is, student will be able to create paragraph about holiday plan via email. Before we talking about holiday plan, let's understand about new vocabulary that related about holiday plan and they common use while holiday. Are the list of vocabulary that common use while holiday and you must understand before you go holiday. From booking and reservation, many people think that it has a meaning. Actually, it has different use because booking for booking flight, booking hotel, and any type of accommodation, while reservation for reservation restaurant. When you arrive on your destination, you might need transportation or rent a car. Rent and hire have same meaning, but British people generally use hire, while American people use rent a car. You have to think about your baggage, luggage, and bag, or and anything with carry out with you. Check in your baggage mean you give it on the step or will put it under plan. While you carry on your baggage mean you carry on your shoulder and it has two small size such as sling bag. Then before you get on your plane, you have to do boarding pass. In boarding pass, you will see boarding time and boarding gate. Boarding time means time when you get on your plane, while boarding gate, the place in the airport before you get on the plane. Generally use visa for going abroad. Visa is type of permission to stay in the country. Sometimes you need to transit. Transit is type you switch the plane and keep going on your journey. You have to prepare to have currency. Currency is type of money because different country has different currency. In Canada, they have Canadian dollar, while on Europe they have euro. In some countries, especially hot countries, we don't know the water is clean or not. Maybe there are lots of diseases or anything that you worry about. They will give on your body or get ill and anything that can protect you. You can wash your hand to protect your body. See the video how to wash your hand well.
It's fun to wash your hands, and I know you understand. So we wash it clean, scrub, scrub. We start with washing palm to palm. Between each finger, let us rub. Now the back of the hands, it's such a simple plan. We wash washy, clean, scrub, scrub. Clean the base of the thumbs one by one. Then the back of the fingers, this is fun. Don't forget your fingernails, it's about details. We washy, washy, clean, scrub, scrub. Now move on to the wrist, let us rub. I think we're nearly done, so now what? Just rinse the soap away, dry our hands and we're okay. We washy, washy, clean, scrub, scrub. So we washy, washy, clean, scrub, scrub. We washy, washy, clean, scrub, scrub. It's fun to wash your hands, and I know you'll understand. We washy, washy, clean, scrub, 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 scrub.
We are going to learn about the use of will, be going to, and would like to. There is dialogue conversation about holiday plan from Jerry and Angel. Please listen and watch carefully, and don't forget to highlight the use of will, be going to, and would like to.
Hi Jerry, the school year is almost over. Do you have any plan for the summer holiday?
Yeah, actually, I'm going to go down to Zhuzhou province of southwestern of China.
Really? Why would you go to Guizhou? It's not very popular tourist site.
But there's beautiful scenery. I'm sure you've heard of the Huangzhou waterfalls. There are mountains everywhere in Zhuzhou, even in the capital city of Zhujiang.
Yes, I have heard of Huangzhou, but won't you go bored just looking at the scenery?
Come on, Angel. There's a lot of things to do. I can go hiking in Jianling Park in Zhujiang, visit Miao village in the southeast, and I know you've heard about Zunyi, a very historical city. So, would you like to go to Zhuzhou with me?
When you describe it like that, it sounds really interesting and it makes me want to go to Guizhou.
And that's not all. I'll be able to eat very delicious spicy food, drink world famous Mao Tai, and we'll see what happens.
Do you have a place to stay in Guizhou?
Yes, I'm very lucky because I'm going to stay at my sister's house.
That's great, Jerry. Next week, I'll tell you whether I would like to go to Guizhou with you or not.
Okay, let me know later on WhatsApp.
In that video, there are two examples. First, I'll be able to eat delicious food there, and second, I'm going to go down to Zhuzhou. To and will have same meaning, but they different use. Be going to is used to express a prior plan, a plan made before the moment of speaking, while will is the spontaneity of the speaker to do it. And the last is the use of would like to. Would like to is also same with will and be going to, but they for making polite requests. Like to is generally used for making intention also, and they have polite meaning. And the use of would like to for talking to older people, for formal event, talking to superior, or like to is used for offering. And the example is would like to go to Zhuzhou with me. The next section is do the exercise for you guys. And please visit the www.kahoot.it and enter pin on above. Enter your name and do it carefully because I give you only 4 minutes to do the exercise, and we are going to discuss it together.
Based on the situation of number 1, the speaker has prints before to make print. So the answer is the red bracket or I'm going to. The answer of second question are will or would like to because the speaker spontaneities do it. The answer of third question is will because the speaker do it spontaneity and they didn't make plan before. The answer of fourth question is I'm going to. The answer of fifth question is would like to. The answer of sixth question are going to. The answer of seventh question is will. Answer of eighth question is will. The answer of ninth question is would like to.
Practice writing of paragraph about holiday plan. Before you create that paragraph, I will explain the step that you must be followed. Here is the example of paragraph about holiday. By example of paragraph about holiday plan from Isabel. The situation of paragraph, Isabel replied to her friend's message and was interested in her friend's city, and Isabel tell her holiday plan to her friends. Write the date and the city of the author. And the example is tomorrow's 24th May 2014. Second, organize your idea into three body. For the first, opening paragraph. Second, the plan of your holiday. And the last is closing of paragraph. For opening paragraph, write dear to the receiver of the email and then purpose why you write the email. The second body is about the plan of your holiday. This paragraph usually include who are you going with, where are you going to stay, and when you are going to holiday, and what are to do on there. Closing paragraph usually include kind regard, thank you, and so on. Now it's time to practice create paragraph about your holiday plan, and at least consist 3 paragraph each email. Of paragraph are the first, you reply your friend's message and you are interested in vacation on your friend's city, and you are going to tell about your holiday plan to your friends. Question is you are going to spend your holiday to your uncle house, your grandmother house, and the rubric of the assessment of your paragraph is according to the step that I have explained before. So you must follow the step carefully and do it on time, okay? And the due date is 2 days after the section. Paragraph on my address email, and my email is asmaulhusna03@email.com. So I think it is stop. And what we have learned today? For the first, learn about the vocabulary about holiday such as booking, reservation, rent, hire, and so on. And the second, we enough for today. And what we have learned today? For the first, learn about the vocabulary about holiday such as booking, reservation, rent, hire, and so on. The second, we have learned about the use of will, be going to, and would like to. And be going to is used to express a prior plan, while will is spontaneity for do it, and would like to is for polite meaning. And the last is we have learned about paragraph of holiday plan, and it contains a 3 body: opening paragraph, a second plan paragraph, and the last closing paragraph. So I think enough for today and hope you have a nice day. See you on the next meeting. And wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.